Welcome back to another adventure, everybody. Welcome back. So, as you could tell, I am in the same predicament that I was in on the last video. I said that I was going to take a break, and that's exactly what I did. And I'm back out here. I cleaned up the garage just a little bit. I made sure I got all of the exhaust parts. I put it back up there where I'm going to keep the AMS exhaust just chilling. So, what else did I do? I kind of cleaned it off, too. I kind of used some, I don't know, that's not Purple Power. It's called, like, Orange something. It's called Orange Champ. I mean, it works. It works. So, I mean, whatever. It is what it is. But anyway, back to the big business. The Evo 8 is almost complete. I actually need to take off the studs. I need to replace all the studs that are actually broken because I'm not going to put this thing on the ground without doing that. And I have to go to the store because I think I'm just going to just do it. The inner tie rod in on that side over there, the driver side. And yeah, then I could actually put this bad boy back down on the ground and possibly try to start it up. I don't know if it's going to happen on this video. Because most of my videos are like 20 to 25 minutes long. It's a little outrageous, but I don't know. I'm just kind of used to doing like really long videos. So I'm just gonna keep it, you know, the trend going. But I don't want to go over like 30 minutes. Obviously, that's kind of crazy. But I have the my suspension still sitting over there. It will be going back in as soon as I get the parts that I need for the tie rods. But yeah, last episode we got all the exhaust work done. As you can see, it looks really nice up tucked in there. So I think that's really the only thing we really need to kind of do is get the studs on, because it'll just be ridiculous to take them the wheels back off and do everything like that. Even though once I actually get this thing inspected and do all that jazz, all the piping and stuff like that will come off. The valve cover will come off, just so I can powder coat everything, because as you can tell, you know, these have seen better days. These have seen better days. The intercooler has seen better days, but I'm gonna keep it stock. But I do want to make sure that the piping looks really good. The Brembos look really good, but that is not the main focus of this car as of right now. I just want to get it kind of running. But with the inner tie rod in the way it is, I'm not even gonna mess around. Like I'm just gonna replace it and just call it a day. So let's get to it. Let's get the suspension back in, and let's get these studs out. So I think I might just get the studs out and then I'll start doing the suspension, because the suspension isn't really gonna take me that long. Possibly a couple ups and downs, but don't want to bore you with doing these studs. If you don't know how to do studs, you got to take your brakes off and you got to just pop them out. Maybe I might show you one. If I don't get mad at me. So let's get this process rolling. All right, everybody. So little bit of an update here. I haven't really been recording because I just wanted to knock these bad boys out. But I got all the studs done in all the cars, or all the wheels. This one's a little short, so I might just have to go to the store and buy another stud and do that, which is not something I really wanted to do, but it is what it is. I wanted to get everything kind of done so that like I can actually show you guys what I've been doing. But I had to put the suspension back in, because if I didn't, the weight of the caliper, the rotor, and everything else over here probably would have just broke off the you know, the line going to the caliper. So I had to put that up, make sure that that was good. So this thing spins pretty freely, so I can actually adjust the you know, the height. So which is good. I got not brand new bolts, but I have bolts. I have bolts in here, and I got bolts on the other side. Just the same deal, because, you know, actually, like, you know, you remember on the other side, the bolts were just, they weren't even in. So I got bolts that I have from other jobs or whatnot just sitting there. So same on this side. Everything is loose, ready to go. So now I have not, as you can tell, I have not been to the store yet to go get my inner tie rod, which is a little bit annoying. And it's getting a little late. The wife is on her way home. I do have a customer on his way to pick up his wheels. So I don't know how much more I will be filming, but I'm gonna try to get the tires on and try to set the ride height, because I think I wanna get that done in this video, because I haven't really showed anybody anything except for stuff that I wanted to do. So I want to try to get that done. So yeah, let's get that done before the wifey gets home. So let's go. So we're not exactly done yet, but we have a guest. We have a guest. What's up? Wrench Heads Tuning in the building. What's good, Joe? How you feel? So yeah, I rarely get guests over here. What do you say? I want to go look at this car now. You mind if I film it? Oh, go ahead. All right. Tell me, Joe, what do you got done for the people that are watching?
Wait, let me open the hood.
All right. Nice. What year is this?
13.
2013 WRX. Oh!
Some front mount in the cooler.
Who wants the sauce? Who wants the sauce? This is it. Listen, I watched the whole video, the whole setup of when you guys did this. This thing is nice. This thing is real nice. I can't wait for it to be actually, like, I want to see the numbers on this thing.
Yeah.
I'm so interested to see what this thing will make. Like, what kind of turbo is it again?
TD06 54X.
Dude. All right. So this thing is gonna give people the sauce. I just tell you that right now. But it's a unassuming, I'll tell you that, because it looks like a stock kind of setup. I mean, minus the front mount. Like, yo, you put a mesh grill on there.
Yeah, I tried to hide.
That's stealth, bro. That's stealth. It wasn't like that when you dropped off these wheels. But yeah, it's a nice car, man. Like, I cannot wait for you to see. I want to see the dyno numbers. You know what I mean? But built motor, right?
Yeah, built motor. Upgraded pistons, rings, bearings.
Everything in WRX needs to make power. I'll tell you that much right now. So I cannot wait for this thing to get loose. You know what I mean? And you got open wastegate too.
Yep, external wastegate.
Dude.
44 millimeter.
Dude, it's got to be nasty. Got to be nasty. Well, we got to do some things. I got to make this transaction happen. He dropped the wheels off. I showed you guys in the video. So yeah, I'm gonna deal with this, and then I'll be right back to it. The other half of the Wrench Heads. Look at, where is he going? Where is he going? Oh, this dude's crazy. You pulling in my driveway like that? Yo, park across the street. All right, whatever. Come here and say what up, Walmart man. Yo, so this is funny.
What's up, manager?
Oh God, you a manager now? Oh God. Say what up, Ricky from the Wrench Heads.
What up? Don't ask your boy,
I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna talk some crap to these guys. So we'll talk to you in a minute. All right. Shout out to the Wrench Heads. They just actually came by. Joe actually just did his wheels, and shout out to Ricky, and yeah, he just stopped by. He must have seen Joe's car sitting outside of my driveway, and he was just like, oh, yo, you over there? It's pretty funny. So we got to talking. We like laughing it up a little bit over here. So I kind of forgot where I was going with the rest of the video, so I really don't want to continue. I will try to pick it up back tomorrow because it is getting a little late right now, and Danielle is on her way home with dinner, so I will be stopping for today. But we did get a lot done. Tomorrow we will be setting the wheels on the ground again, making sure that we have appropriate ride heights. Make sure that's good, and I'll go to the store and actually get the inner tie rod in for the other side so that we can actually put the wheels on the ground and for good this time. And I think we should be good. Maybe buy some new spark plugs. I think I actually do have a set of new spark plugs. I don't know if I'm gonna buy a brand new battery or if I'm gonna just use one that I have over here on the side. I just want to get this bad boy started. So hopefully next video I can start this bad boy and we could see what's going on with it. If it needs a crazy tune or anything like that, I'm gonna have to whip the laptop out. So yeah, I don't know. We will see what happens. So I gotta get the cars moved back in and I gotta get all wrapped up for today. So I don't know. Shout out to these guys again, Wrenchheads Tuning. Cool guys. Go check their channel out, Wrenchheads Tuning, on YouTube, Instagram, and stuff like that. You know how it is. How it goes. But if you like my material, I upload every 3 days, like I say in every video. So upload every 3 days. If you like this content, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about my material. If it sucks, it sucks. Let me know. If you like it, cool. Maybe keep watching. I don't know. I say a lot in my videos. It's cool, Ricky. Thanks. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, all right?